Hi everybody. Well, Project Slime is on its way. This is my 3-year project, and I was supposed to have it done last year, and I kind of got frustrated with it, so I put it away and got out with it. Put it away last 6 months ago, and well, it's crunch time, and I got a week to get it done. I said I'd have it done for Father's Day this year, and guess what? I got 7 days. And I gotta put it in the frame and paint the other day, and polished it out the other day. It's a Nissan dark charcoal. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, but it's Nissan dark charcoal, and polished it out the other day. I got the tanks done. I just got to polish them out yet. But the frame's all polished out. I've got to do the stacks yet. I did the air tanks and spastics, and the way I did drop the body down, you can't even see it, so it's kind of waste my time, and I wish I'd have just did it in black. And with the battery boxes, you can barely pick them up, and if I'd have did it in black, you might be able to pick them up. But everything's shaved on it. For the show next weekend, I didn't get the motor quite finished. I was going to mount the breather up in here, but I didn't get all that quite finished. So for the show next weekend, the motor's not quite going to be finished. I was going to take the hose that goes up here to the breather. I was going to paint it and make a mount up here for on the other side for the oil breather. I was going to mount it up here, but I never got it done. So they take points off of it, so be it. The grill, I was going to do the old school with the dual headlights. I got it all cut out and for my other kit, but I just don't have time to alcat it and all that. So I'm just going to run this grill and put the headlights in it. And I'm just going to run the bumper from the stock kit, because I'm running short of time. But I was going to run a bumper from here down to the ground. Just running short of time. It's just time just got away with me. I've got everything all shaved. I got a piece of pipe that I'm going to do for the stacks. I got to cut down yet. The quarter fenders from the kit, I'm just going to put on it. I don't know if the light's going to pick it up or not. I got the jewels for the tail lights. I still got to do the fifth wheel. I don't remember if you guys remember it or not, but it's got suicide doors. But that's the extent of the update on it. And once I get it all buttoned up, I'll do the update with all the pictures and how I build it in a longer video. But this is where I'm at right now with it. And you know, like I said, I got a couple things, odds and ends that I gotta do. The, you know, a couple steering linkage and all that for the show next weekend. You know, that dark magma Nissan color just don't show how shiny it is, but it's, I mean, it's real shiny. I spent 2 days polishing out and painting and buffing it out, so it's like a mirror. Like I said, I'm kind of slacking and kind of creep up on me on the date, and I wish I had about another 2 weeks to get it all done and buttoned up to where it was near perfect. And I hate to put it off for another year, because I promised myself and a couple other guys I was going to have it done last year, and here it is a year later and it's still not done. and I've got 7 days to get it done, and actually less, because I've got to have it there by probably by Thursday. So here it is Saturday, so I've got, you know, 5 days to get it there. So, and I got a lot of paint work to do and a couple odds and ends to finish it up, and a couple other things I got to do around the house, and other things. So hopefully you enjoy it. And like I said, I'll do a longer video with the build-up pictures and when it's all done. Till then, have a good weekend and enjoy the sunshine. And I know it was a hard, long weekend, long winter, and hope you guys are enjoying the sunshine. Have a good one.